Buy Ted's Woodworking. Who should buy Ted's Woodworking? We recommend Ted's Woodworking to anyone interested in a hobby of DIY or woodworking. It contains many easy-to-follow instructions and step-by-step plans. Are you a beginner to this hobby or you have struggled with woodworking work in the past? For example, I feel a guide that Ted's Woodworking plans can be benefit anyone. Projects filled with vast amounts of information will help you build your foundation, as well as great tips and tricks. As for furniture makers, I don't think Ted's Woodworking will be helpful. Since many woodworking programs are for beginners, intermediate, this manual seems to be primarily intended for beginners. Furthermore, programs analyze the specifics of a project in a way that appears to be common knowledge to professionals in the woodworking industry. However, I think anyone can benefit from the right guidance and plans that make Ted's Woodworking valuable to anyone. Ted's Woodworking is not only the world's richest collection of woodworking plans for every credible project. This is a comprehensive guide that breaks down every woodworking DIY project to ensure that everyone, even the most ingenious and inexperienced women, can start to save some money by building their own works. Additionally, as you develop your own projects, they become significantly more valuable than any expert can create for you. Overall, we find the Ted's Woodworking Guidebook a worthy book and a great investment. With 16,000 plans to choose from, there are more than enough projects to make it possible for anyone busy in life to implement it.